What's up guys, good morning, welcome to today's vlog. I'm starting it out here at the Hilton Hotel in Dubai. Yeah guys, it's morning, it's breakfast time. Outside. Wow. Yeah guys, so let's go have some breakfast real quick because it's kind of late. Yeah, and then we can get started. I can show you guys around later. Let's go. Wow guys, so from having one of the most bomb breakfasts, I think it's time for swimming or something, you know? But instead of like swimming right now, let's first go check out the Dubai Mall. Yeah, and then we come back and do all that stuff. It's super hot. I feel like swimming, but I'm like, let me first go check out the city and then we'll come swim later. The pool is right there. It looks so nice, guys. It looks so nice. So yeah, let's first go check out Dubai Mall and then we'll be back. Let's go. I came to the Dubai Mall using the Dubai Metro. It's my first time using the Dubai Metro, but it's quite smooth.
Ice cream po.
Finally got some ice cream. That guy has like mad jokes. You know, it's like super hot. You already know like Dubai is a desert, so you definitely need some ice cream.
Smell from perfume. Smell.
Where are you from? I'm from Kenya.
Can I give you this?
Okay.
Gift.
All right.
Yeah. If you want to put this one here and here, like that. Put your phone here.
Oh, I put my phone
You
here.
understand?
Yeah.
Hello. Okay.
Which one is this?
Huh?
You've mixed? Or,
No, Lymar. Same.
same,
This
same.
one finished already.
Okay.
And Chivas. You know? Smell this one. This strawberry. Maybe you like this one. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Smell again.
I think I like this one more, yeah?
This one.
Yeah, do you have, I see you also sell this small
Yeah,
perfume.
this one. Yes, I have actually this one.
Man, everyone here is trying to sell you something, so. Still enjoying my ice cream. Just walking around, checking the places out. Yeah, and this place is like super huge. I think I'm need some food in a few. So yeah, let me look for a restaurant. So guys, I'm at Montclair, checking stuff out. This one is 4,500 AED. That's like $1,000. So the Montclair jackets, so nice. This one is 5,000 AD. That's $1,500. This one's about, typically it's about $1,000 jacket. Damn, man, this place just smells of luxury perfume. You know, like when you visit a place, you know, it has like that unique smell. And Dubai for me is the luxury perfume, man. So guys, I'm done with the mall. I've decided to call an Uber. It's called Karim, the Uber for Dubai, a better Uber. There's Uber though, but Karim is it's cheaper, and I was advised to use Karim, and I'd also tell you, like, if you want to save up a bit here and there, and they are more available even actually than Uber. So Karim is a nice app. So let's go to the beach for a while, and then we go back to the hotel. I give you guys a tour. So let's go, let's do it. As I was heading towards getting my Uber, so this beautiful Rolls Royce. Wow. So nice and classy and sexy, man. Damn. You can see that red Lamborghini. Wow. I'm currently at McDonald's in Jumeirah. For lunch I got fries, burger and some soda. From here we go check out the beach a bit. Then from there we go to the hotel room, you know what it is. Just done having my McChicken. It's actually my first time ever in McDonald's. Yeah. My first time ever in life to be in McDonald's. Well, kinda like it. The McChicken, the spicy McChicken was nice. There's no McDonald's in East Africa. Yeah, that's why. But so I decided to make sure I visited the one here in Jumeirah. I'm actually right now at the beach, Jumeirah Beach. Yeah, I want to give you guys a glimpse of how the beach looks like here in Dubai. Here in Jumeirah. This is Jumeirah 1. So yeah, let's go walk on the beach and check it out. Just from the beach, they refused me to film. I'll tell you guys more about that later. First off, let me get the taxi back to the hotel. Back to the hotel room. When I was at the beach, you know, I was like recording, and the guards like took my phone, told me to stop recording, told me I can't record that. I was like, they even like made me like delete the footage. The good thing is like iPhones, when you delete, it goes to recently deleted, so I just restored it. I didn't expect like to see like people in bikinis and all of that. I guess that's why they didn't allow me to record, because like no one like sees Dubai in that light, you know. But I managed to record it. I'm gonna drop a video just for that. So make sure you turn the notifications bell on. That will be a separate video. I wanna go take a deeper bit right there. Yeah guys, I wanna go take a deeper bit right now. Yeah, and I'll be back and I give you guys a room tour, hotel tour, whatever you wanna call it, you know? So I've never entered the water with my phone. I'm trying to do it for the first time. So guys, I'm just from swimming. There's a place to chill over here, like a couch, table. There's a TV over there. There's like a fridge over here. Hey, check out, your boy has stuck that fridge with beers for days. Got a neat bathroom over here. This is the Hilton here in Dubai. In Dubai is the standard room, yeah? So yeah guys, that's probably it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching again. Yeah man, I'll see you in the next vlog. I'm going for the desert safari and the Dow cruise. I'm gonna go check out the Burj Khalifa. There's a lot of things I gotta do over here in Dubai. You know what's up. It's your boy Goshy. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. You know what to do. Till the next video. Peace.